Nobody likes a bulging belly. It looks unsightly and it is detrimental to our health and confidence. No matter what workout or diet you try, belly fat is the hardest to go away. Even if it goes away, it comes back easily. No worries though. We have a 100% natural fat cutter drink, which is highly effective in removing body fat, especially belly fat. It is easy to prepare and many ingredients are in your kitchen right now. Let's see the ingredients. Number 1. Cucumber. Cucumber is high in water and full of fiber. These two things are very critical for weight loss. 1 cup of cucumber contains only 16 calories. That is insignificant compared to other food. It also has an effect by which it can improve the metabolism and help the body in burning more calories. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger has an appetite-regulating effect. It reduces the hunger and improves satiety. It also controls the blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. It all adds up in making ginger a weight loss-friendly food. Number 3. Aloe Vera juice. The properties of aloe vera make it one of the most useful and magical ingredients for healthcare. Its daily use is proven to improve overall health, as well as help you lose weight. Aloe vera juice can help in speeding up the metabolism, which in turn will promote proper digestion. Improved metabolism means that your body burns calories and fat much faster than it usually would. Number 4. Parsley or cilantro. Parsley and cilantro are high in the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are associated with digestive support. They have been used in Ayurveda for indigestion, gas, cramps, bloating, and nausea. It improves absorption and nutrients and helps in detoxification. Number 5. Lemon. Lemon contains pectin, which is a satiety-improving ingredient. Lemon also contains vitamin C, which reduces the inflammation. Overall, drinking lemon water will improve your metabolism and curb your hunger for the rest of the day. Okay, let's see how to make this wonderful drink. Ingredients: juice of 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a handful of cilantro or parsley, half a glass of water. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend it until smooth. Drink 1 cup of this drink before going to bed for at least 1 week. You can take a break of a few days before continuing it for next week. You can store the rest of the drink in the fridge for the next morning or next evening. It is advised to make a new one after that. If you don't like the taste, you can play with the portion size of the ingredients, or you can add some honey for taste. Along with taking this drink, please take care of your diet. It is advised to eat healthy and clean. Although this drink improves fat burning, it can't overcome a diet loaded with sugar and saturated fat. We are confident enough that this drink will help you get rid of that belly fat, which is bothering you for long. Hope you liked our video. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out a new video.